important topic of the seminar, international conference about the artificial intelligence in machine learning. So the artificial intelligence is actually started in 1956, and it is a domain of computer science, and now it is already completed 64 years. And now the pharmacy field is applying this artificial intelligence for the development of new drugs, and they are using in clinical trials, and for the development of for the usage of the drugs which are already in the market, that is repurposed drugs and the personal medicine. At present we are applying this artificial intelligence, and the eminent speakers are come over here to share their knowledge with the young pharmacists.